Ya, कुछ example करालू शेयर चीजें ना तो कला शेयर चीजें ना शेयर बे शेयर चीजें ना से शुरू में रहता बिन शेयर सिरी पुरुरु हररा Thank you, Yankee. Thank you, Yankee, for sharing. Thank you, everybody. Yes, dari macam alu kam cia kata gimana? Dari the 11 Science PMT gimba, 11 Science PMT tu kala. So, sajita ni kam cia tu ka. जो सीलम गियोलो मैं तो चिशानो दसला कुछ जंबो करलो कुछ जंबो जो तुम्हारे करलो कुछ जंबो तरी नम से मैं हों दो भी हो स्मॉल ये जो सचिन फ्राइडे इवनिंग बंदेगी काम में दो ये रात के सच जो सीलम गियोलो से में दिए Okay, 11 math PMT. कुछ जंबल लगा रहा लो और ये शेयर चीज़ें ना सच तक मोला है कि Okay, ondo तभी ओंदो में अच्छा ओंदो में Okay, 1 yeah तभी 11 math into 11 math that 11 gi so dari bewachin ngachi yes asla beonla tangents and normals so let us study about tangent and normals today so dari gi topic bewachin ani tangents and normals PMT okay diagram to draw again mara let me just draw a diagram curve to draw again to bola share cheeze na karagi curve to draw again curve the okay on some time do then this is my y-axis this is our x-axis this is our origin this is our origin and okay tangent line to draw again at point A tangent se mede ani curve na lu just one place na touch pe bhi to wala tangent se mede line hi to wala tangent se mede so this is going to touch only at this point ana touch pe bhi jo ni me ba anything hi tangent line hi to wala touch pe bhi jo curve na touch pe bhi to wala and it will touch only at one point dile dinalu point A पे जाएंगे मोला A with coordinates x1 and y1 x1 comma y1 now tangent dilu will have a line perpendicular to the tangent line तो बोला so perpendicular से वजन 90 degree होंगे पानी की बांधलो so अनिल का चलाऊं से वजन अनिल दी normal so normally line e tangent है line e तो बोला both are lines tangent will touch your curve at a point and normal will intersect with the tangent perpendicular पे perpendicular 사진 angle दी 90 degree पे देवो सही तो वाला 아니지 또 같이 normal 다 tangent की कोले सब달로 아님치 d 셔고베 같이 then anything की function 이 y equal to f of x so function of this curve any curve की function दी y equal to f of x yeah 다음에 가기 dumrachi 나누주기 또 깔아 당가치기 다음에도 any point nalo mola point a nalo any point a nalo if my slope is dy over dx mosla ani be bachin any point nalo ngigi slope di dy over dx if the value of dy over dx at a x comma y comma nalo is m bewachin mela m if the value of dy over dx at this point any point nalo ngigi derivative the m imagine then the equation the equation of the tangent is then the equation of the tangent any line की equation देगाची देओ सवाचिन is given by y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1 be देओ तो बोला ani की form नालो देओ से जुनी equation दे this will be the equation of the tangent line तो का if the value of dy over dx at this point is m bewachin देगाची equation दाने देओ से तमागी graphically computer na pige तो बोला thank you for sharing everybody tap jizena tap de mendo to gala now equation of any perpendicular chego bachin say equation of any perpendicular chego bachin any perpendicular de gachmo normal nimba normal the equation de gachi de mo sajin same be de to gala the equation of the equation of the normal mostla normal is given by gachi deon sajin same deon y minus y1 equal to x minus x1 debodalo donka gachi deon sajin not m donka de m mide perpendicular benedigi nagi dy over dx ki value de gachi deon sajin negative chogo 1 over m se chogo to kala reciprocal chogo ani ke reciprocal meaning ani m di ma denominator jo se to kala so meaning m will become your denominator tele sign the negative jo se ani be use jeni so this is the equation of the normal to the tangent to kala normal to the tangent is ani ki tokalo be nga chi question be go bi Debodalo Nabuki Semka de Gachichago Sajin, your m should not be equal to 0. M should not be equal to 0. Topkala. The question ji benime topkala. Any question the best how chi delangani graphically nabulutenge. Sachi topkala. Sachi tenge. YouTube na de upload beong I upload because YouTube na nalu gachi temi the record bear pala upload bego. It was sachin nigi any donui ba. Future gidonui. All this information go me na mola ani gitel the question be achani do ba the question is another question to bala question da ani be wani me ba after finding the equations I'll just let you know I'll give you the demo of how our equations help us to draw the tangent and normal to ba tangent line and normal so question da ani me do find the equation of find the equation of find the equation of the tangent and the normal mola to the curve se do bade mosla to the curve y equal to 2x square plus 8 over x square minus 9 at the point where x is equal to 2 se do to bola x is equal to 2 se question da anvi chin jano thank you as for sharing share jana midul nam sam kari che okay so daridi I do not expect more people to come because it's Friday and people are now gachima after a long week tired or I do not expect more people to come but I'm doing based on whatever schedule mostly we had ani schedule da tin dige bedo yeah question na jonim answer na jonim to kala now ngachilu gachi go sawajin if I want to find the equation of the tangent de gadibi jiu achilo equation let us first of all go to the equation of the tangent is given by gadvideo y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1 video madimosla equation di tangachilu de gachi go be sawajin we need m we need y1 and we need x1 ani sum gola y the x the ngachi value chu mengo kaim berajani what we need is value of y1 m and x1 to gola now m the gachimo this is my derivative dy over dx the analyze ho ani function na le to gola tele x the jino 2 jin jano the x the 2 image ngachi y the gadim china chego bade mosla the y majimbe the gachibo y chene gidunlo and x की value दे अना चुनी चिराई बा अना चुनी चिराई so an chup chi chegi answer y की value दे तो when x is equal to 2 so an betal first ra na jani equation की दल m chego bala m so m दिगा chi देउ सजिन my m is my dy over dx so m दिगा chi देउ सजिन my dy over dx तो bala m is my dy over dx तो बना जाना good ngai जोगे तमा so m is equal to dy over dx which is equal to ani the differentiate begoba so differentiation the khasam te bagagi mosla kadi bi jo differentiate bedalo ani 2 multiply begoba so 2 times 2 is 4 the x raised to any power the reduced by 1 so 2 minus 1 is 1 mosla plus the ani x the gati do ngai this shortcut che te na bolu the ani shortcut the gati bi so je ani 2 the ani the chika multiply be ni to by 8 the chika and what is 2 times 8 16 bedeu te bodalu donkhadi minus chuni to kola 16 se divided by tele analu x ki exponent de dachiga chidu 2 so an thokalo 1 add boda 3 jon to kola 2 plus 1 is 3 minus and derivative of constant the 0 bedaba constant the number cham chi ba 0 jon so my m is equal to gamji thobe sa jangagi m the for x times jo because x raised to 1 is x the plus times minus is minus pe jo minus mosla minus 16 be deu the whole divided by x cube be deu ani minus 0 de chu mengo be now I need to find gach find be go ngagi m find be go m find be ne de lo x ki value chu ko ba de mosla x ki value de 2 jin janu nalu so m equal to I'm going to get 4 times 2 minus 16 over 2 raised to 3 se de mate 2 raised to 3 now 4 times 2 the 8 bedava minus anal gamch thok mai 16 divided by 2 raised to 3 the gamch mola 2 raised to 3 is 8 because 2 raised to 3 se me 2 times 2 bedava de 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 na 8 chuni which is equal to gamch thok now ani the 8 bera deu minus divide 16 by 8 2 bedava de mola 8 times 2 is 16 so m the gamchi me slope the 6 me aise mosla m top chi me la m top chi now ngal gachi go x1 the this is my x1 point nalu selap me ba ani point nalu me ba so x ki value x1 ki value the 2 do now y1 go ba de y1 se wajin y ki value che go y ki value so to find y1 my y1 will be equal to anachuni chirai tupgala. So x ki value anachuni mela gamchi thop ngagi. So dy over dx to thopchi m di thopchi anachuni 2 times x ki value di 2 chuni whole square jo plus 8 divided by the root 2 chuni x ki value. So you'll get 2 square hamale x square se me de da gachi ongo de x ki value 2 chu baje 2 square hamale square ba de minus 9 which is equal to 2 square is 4 4 times 2 is 8 plus 8 divided by 2 square is 4 minus 9. So 8 plus 8 divided by 4 is 2 minus 9. So what is my y1? My y1 is equal to I need the x1 into well I need the x1 email I need the x1. So y1 gamchi thobe ngachi 10 jo 10 minus 9 di gamchi mo 1 be deu. So ngi x1 di gamchi deu x1 is 2 and y1 is 1 be deu gala. Now jump down to dela. You have everything. Simply substitute in this and you will get the equation jump down to beto. So equation the gamchi deu sa chen blue ki din me blue to bola equation de gachi deu. What will be the equation of my tangent? Equation of my tangent will be continue with jone me. So gachi de gachi dachi y minus y1. Y minus y1. So y minus what is my y1? Y1 is 1 equal to what is my m? M is 6. Remember 6. Then x minus x1. X the x pera deu minus x1 gamchi topchi x1 is 2. Remember x1 is 2. So nichrai. Now y minus 1, if I simplify, you will get 6 times x, which is 6x. And 6 times 2 will give you minus 12. Remember, take this negative 1 that side, you will get y equal to 6x minus 12. Minus 1 will become plus 1. So y is equal to 6x minus 11. So this is the equation of my tangent. Equation of my tangent. Mostly equation of tangent thopchi. Now next I need to find the equation of the normal. Normal gi equation se go to kala. Normal gi equation se go. Normal gi equation se go. What is the equation gi format digachi modela? Is y minus y1 again. The both the gachi ongo slope di should be negative 1 over m se ongo x minus x1. Se mostla. Tachila be man dingagi. Now, I don't understand them, but I love watching you solve it now. Allah, kece hame ko es me ba de fancy me ana equation ni mostly equation ni nalu tani equation gi da to nalu format de bai me ngai to mostly format bai okay la you'll understand gradually y minus taro y1 is 1 bedwa de mostly tajile thopchi what is our y1 is 1 remember and equal to negative 1 over what is my m the 6 pedovade matsuni x minus what is my x1 is 2 the simplify be no wala simplify be the lo ngachi cross multiply be go me the ani 60 ani chara chiga multiply be go cross multiply be go so 6 times y minus 1 equal to negative 1 di andra jabe ani ni da chiga multiply be go me to bosla plus 11 gi di sheba da 6 times y is 6y minus 6 times 1 is 6 equal to negative 1 times x is negative x, negative times negative is positive, and 1 times 2 is 2. Say. Ani bejani. Dele y jamji na jaruto, kadibe beruto. Te x the y chika jaruto, no problem. So ngai x ani x the suta bawa chin positive jo dachi negative doba. Dele ani 6y the hamale positive me 6y equal to ani the positive 2, ani 6 the phata bawa chin positive 6. So x plus 6y is equal to 8 bedeu. So this is the equation of my normal. So to bola equation of my normal is should to bola ani di kha gati chega ngachi golle bishumba to bola the first part di ngachi how do we determine the equation of the tangent and normal ani she gola ngachi to bola. So ngagi nalu GeoGebra nalu ani chitenge to pala na bulu GeoGebra nalu demo chi phige me la demo chi to pala so ngiki kap de gachi zum chi ga ani tenge me nga chi to what is happening I don't understand se zone me na da chi ani chi nalu clarify bege to posla let me clarify thank you everyone for joining today it's the topic is for class 11 where we build foundation But class 12s, if you have not understood, you can go through this, you can watch, you can share. Thank you everyone for being here. Please tap. This is quite high level maths, and the high level we start with the differentiation and integration from class 11. So normal the tangent gina hichi. We are done with the basic formulas to differentiate mola. The rules of differentiations, we are done with rules of differentiation. Today we are with normals, equation of normals and tangent. So now let me show this one graphically. To any question the graphically thing kadibe thonga nabugi sachizina to kala nabugi sachizina ngai ani GeoGebra use pe to ngai to nabugi di allolchi di sheshe to the GeoGebra has now hemal rayi ani di, but it is one of the mathematical softwares where you can teach students ani lasha tentu bela analo. So dambranga any function type bega to any function di y equal to say ana equation type bega ba y is equal to delga chito ngajilo 2x square se to bala 2 se mosla ngagi na type chab to bala ngi type de ana jodo ana to bala 2x square to bala x square dele plus 8 divided by x kachme daro x square me mosla divided by x raised to 2 then minus 9 me bola minus 9. So ani be bodalo so ngagi curve de anzum chi thobe to bola curve assume la ngai ganale move chi bege as chungu chi zo gi mola ni curve de anzum chi themme to bola anzum curve chi themme to bola anzum curve chi themme gati sense jogane ga mishi, but curve de anzum chi themme to bola curve de anzum chi themme tangachi ki tangent gi equation suni to bola. What is the equation of my tangent? Equation of my tangent anything bola y equal to 6x minus 11. So equation of the tangent is y is equal to 6x minus 11. So ani suni tangent de anime to bola na line di curve na lo ani curve na lo touch pe be joma bola at only one point me la at only one point me ani chi now we can go me la ana touch pe be joma ba ani curve the touch pe be joma ani lo tangent line se la. So ngachi equation sheba jin ani be jamdong to be draw be so ba de musla jamdong to draw be chu dele touch ti gati be ma sa jin ngachi le jum be mola ani be bomzo be tawa jin ngachi touch ti gati be ma sa ana lo be ma ba ani line digi ani be ana lo touch pe me bola line digi ana touch pe me la ana 2 1 na. So an be ni de ngachi x ki value di 2 y की value the 1 से थेंगो में जुम से नानी में बा then let us go to the equation of kachina joni mo sachin equation of normal na joni to bola, and the equation of normal le gachitu x plus 6y mosla x plus 6y equal to we have x plus 6y equal to 8 be do ba. So normal se bajin tani normal this x plus 6y equal to khoni ki banalu 90 degree ho mela 90 degree do gala angle 90 degree angle 90 degree me be sala. Let me check 6x x x plus 6y equal to 8 set up chi mola chi okay 8 set up chi. So ani be odalo khoni ki banalu di angle di 90 degree hongo se me bola maba ani be oda alam thome ba de mola ani as per dangi graph yada ma jon digi me maba khona gi ani di alignment tik tibe tam chi alignment lo dani ngagi x1 ma be wa tik tibe ba chin ma ba 90 degree ani me bala khoni gi banalu ani line da ani line gi banalu 90 degree. So this line is called as normal because this is 90 degree perpendicular to your tangent me bala perpendicular to you. Where do I use this concept in real life? Plus la real life na gati use bene mo slab me lo hongi real life na di la use pesa ke sa go di lesha yu nga chi gi maba ma che wa economics di ken mo la economics di habla mo maba economics di su di habla mo ta ande sul habla be bachin de ta ana lo nga chi gi revenue da cost the revenue semi this lab ne ba de mo la simple chi ani chi na bu gi ta mo bala ani break even function this so na bu gi zi bo ma ba ta ana lo nga chi derivative use be la na ma ba di plus 12 since zimi this be bachin ken ma ba ken di the simple de da nga chi gi gachina use be nga application chingagi ani begela 나블로 피게 사치 똑바라 야 아니 비빌라 first part 아니라 다르기 to find the equation of normal and tangent 똑바라 okay then after that thing achi second derivative na joga 똑바라 second derivative na joga wait sequence na bera jogi me 똑바라 then second derivative na joga so daring agi cover the and normal and tangent ki judui dato after this we'll go to second derivative mostly second derivative na jogi mela so question la shoyi ani question this nauna se tab chiga benga gi book di ani publish pe oji theong lagara is like a beautiful language spoken without words yes is la maths is a language in la ma maths is language in machigi maths mathematics shemi jam ji de lojula bache maths ki lojula bache ma language sumbra in la tebada chi gi maths chi gi ma shiwa ji mende de lebende de la khata mo la language ti de okay now next thing achi gi mo la ne next thing achi tu sa chin achi gi na lo ne second derivative ki kole labde bola alochi ki second derivative ki kole labde okay second derivative se ne mabade sani differentiate begobi ben tubla se asinda tubla asinda yani increasing the decreasing function ki kole dumra jugo ne mabade mosla okay mosla increasing and decreasing function kole dumra chuge dele jamchi second derivative na jugi mosla shar joni to kola okay yeah increasing and decreasing functions to kola increasing and decreasing function can you also teach about black holes or black holes increasing and decreasing function give me ba increasing functions hamara increasing functions tagi mola increasing functions function the increasing se nam lap mo se ani ki loju chi me ma to gala ya tangalu anzum jibe e ba chin to gala okay graph the ani bidu ani the y axis ani the x axis x 0 y and this is y equal to f comma x okay taben ngachigi ani the chi concept leshme mala bachla khaye memo ani chi lesson bel hap ko me to kala haila lo kaine chinal tano ya ani be me to ga increasing function semedi the value of x the increase pe dalu value of y the increase chogo se megala value of f the increase chogo dalu value of y the increase chogo se me to kala nichera increase chogo ba ta ani graph na lo tawaji mosla ana graph na tawajin ane be dobala ya ta jono tangagi analu x pawji mola ani -2 se bawjin te y ki value di analify me ba mosla so y ki value da na ta analify oni me ba de 1 2 1 -2 deji mosla bela so when the value of x is -2 value of y is corresponding value of y di gamchi me -2 bela -2 Gmail relation to gala legime any point dita wajin to bojla so when x is equal to -2 when x is equal to -2 y di gamchi me -2 me to gala now ngagi x ki value di 0 be bacha ana 0 be bajin y ana graph di gati intersect be bajin ana be mo bala ana so ani di 1.7 di jimela so when x is equal to 0 y की value दिगम चिमे सोचे -1.7 दी चिमे तो बसला देले दंगा की x की value अनि 1 इमे अना 1 बे बागी मोला 아니 2이메 아니 2 배워달로 when the value of x is 2 아나로 뭐실라 2 배워다 y 기 value 되겠지만 x x 더가 베니디기 y 기 value 0이메 0 뭐실라 델레 x 기 value 아나 바와칭하기 아나로 바와칭 x 기 value 아나 바와칭 maybe 4 maybe 3 사 3 바와칭 corresponding y 기 value 되감지 되오스메와 so 2 되지 so 나기 x 기 value 3 배워달로 the y की value तो कम में 2 में है ऐसे तो लेशे में जीना में ना होगी मोला लेशे में जीना तो x की value increase जो होता लो so x की value देता में दे negative 2 ले 0 0 ले 2 2 ले 3 जो होता increase जो दे बा value दे increase जो दे में ला x की value दे increase जो दे x की value increase जो होता लो y की value कच में उनसे negative 2 ले दे negative 1.5 bomb बा दे मोशला दे ले negative 1.5 ले दे 0 bomb 0 ले दे 2 bomb so गचित what we can see out here is when the value of x is increasing increase beodalu value of y there increase shome se tani beodalu azum ki graph ye bajin increasing function se lao ani ki function dilo gajlao y equal to f of x dilo increasing function se lao so to gala 아니 라마바 컨셉디 아니비 세션이 now next gachi is a decreasing function de mosla decreasing function increasing usually the decreasing hongo ba de mosla decreasing hongo so decreasing su gimeda the decreasing ba chi ganzum theon dela definitely kha mata jogo imemembela so ani de gachi lab mo sawajin 당아지기 x की वैल्यू दी इंक्रीज ऑफ द लो y की वैल्यू दी डिक्रीज होगा बते x की वैल्यू इंक्रीज ऑफ द लो y की वैल्यू डिक्रीज होगा से तो गला ताना लो ग्राफ च दिखेगा की सो दर की पोजीशन द क्लास 11 साइंस की देन लोई 11 साइंस की देन लोई डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट 11 साइंस की अजे पेचतेम दलो मोला 사치구라 몰라 가지기 아니 베네 가지기 maths abstract bedo bala certain thing dinga chigi pure maths lab midra ani bedo ba pure semedi lalichi dinga chigi visualize bego be imagine bego be bade moshla ya da decreasing functions में आजम चिल्लाबी काले खामाता जो तो गला ग्राफ दी खामाता जो so ani y axis ni ani ngi y equal to function the y equal to f of x ani dingi x i ani ngi 0 i the leje में zina तो गला ना बगी leje में zina ना x की वैल्यू दे ani point बावचिन ani point मा बगी दा ani point बागी मोला ani point बावचिन maybe 0.5 x की वैल्यू दी गमची में सचिन x की वैल्यू दी 0.5 maybe 0.5 mm बेला so x की वैल्यू दी negative 0.5 imbachi ani point the negative 0.9 ani point the 0 imela ani point the 0 ani 0 ani the anagi denlo imela origin gi denlo analu negative 0.5 hoje y ki value the gamchi du se y ki value the maybe 1 2 3 4 5 dechi imela maybe 5 so ani 5 ani the 0.5 imosla y ki value gachi me 5 imes mosla then x की value is 0 बावचिन था x की value 0 बावचिन अनलुगम चितो if the value of x is 0 y की value गमची में 4 देची mm so 0 बे उधर लुदी 4 देची तो बे now let me take x somewhere here 1 2 देची बागी तो कला 2 बागी आणि 1 बेसागी अनलु 2 बावचिन what is happening to the value of y now आणि point की देलो value y the decrease होते maybe 3 2 mm so 2 2 2 and 2 this umbera if I go down the mosla ana joajin towards the right and ani de mata jo me ani down jo so ana point de ana cheni me ani boda ani de maybe 1.5 de jo ani mosla so ani boda lo when my x is equal to kamchi 3 I'm getting 1.5 as the value of y roughly made that estimate chibe now you see that the value of x the gajbe increase because negative 0.5 is less than 0 0 is less than 2 2 is less than 3 increase show the low y ki value gajbe now and the increase show the x ki value the increase increasing and the y value the HP 4 le 5 le 4 na yasno then 2 is less than 4 and 1.5 is less than 2 meaning increase chodalu decreasing function ginnalu the graph ka HP now graph nalu y coordinate the decrease show me so x coordinate increase show me the y coordinate the decrease show me ansum function imagine 같이 나올로 아니 ansum function 로 돼 안adini decreasing function se launse to pala decreasing function that's increasing the judui that decreasing the anything to pala so maindra ani me ba shigubdi maindra shigubdi ani be mese तो गला या दागागी क्वेश्चन चिपिगे में नाल क्वेश्चन माबे जिमी तो बाते आज एक्सप्लेन बेगो मोला क्वेश्चन दा चिगालो रिलेट बेगो के छेबा सो क्वेश्चन चिबेनी सो खोंगिलब में फाइंड द सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ x फॉर व्हिच y इक्वल टू 8 minus 3x minus x square is decreasing सेलब में मेला is decreasing से या decrease दी नामिना तानी चिचेरे जाओ में आनी पॉइंट 디고네 봐봐. Decreasing 날로디 책이 아니 셈까지 하나 더 걸라. Decreasing 날로디 책이 derivative 디 마다 되오마데. slope 디 마다 되오도 걸라. 마다 좀 sloping downward 또 걸라. Increasing 나 봐지 slope 디가 되오다 야다. 이모 것이 안 배우다로 decreasing 날로 봐진 your dy over dx will be 같이 되어서 하진. 아나 셈까지 하고면라. dy over dx will be less than 0 theo and then increasing null by dy over dx will be greater than 0 저기 slope 디 카야다 이마데 카야다 뭐시라 나로 가지 카마다 안 벤디기 아니 디 less than 0 id greater than 0 정고 아니 지셈 거자고 또 볼라 야 다음에 question 대 아니라면 find the set of values 실험배도가 find the set of values of x values of x for which y equal to 8 minus 3x minus x square is decreasing specifically jinjano any function di decreasing function में तो करा so ngachilo de gachi chelame set of values se x for which y is decreasing anzume set of values 세고 빼 가지 또 것이나 아니 세고 또 봐 가지 다니 데 가디비 체니나 다 같이 합고 봐도 뭐 set of values 세 가지 anzum 세고면 x की values anzum 세고 ते 아니 point gachinale decrease 빼도 갔다고 봐도 뭐라 point gachinale decrease 빼도 갔다고 가지 so ngalu curve 아니 베 봐진 나지나메라 ngalu curve ani be bachin ngi curve ani be ani point nale ani point since the decrease pe ma ba de mola khama ta me ba curve de ane be tela ani point nale ben gich be me da khaya to joma ba de so we have to find the value of x here x ki value gachina ani 최고 하나로 뭐시 아니 x ki value de gachina 최고 하나 be bachin te ani anal로 x ki value gachina 최고 decreasing increasing me anal로 x ki value de gachina 최고 도 봐 de gachi so 아니 x की value दी 최고다 가지. 대보다 아니 relation도 되고 가서 이제 디면 고멜라. Okay, now analog solution is juni cheki kamen last dimen 대보다 가기 our math teacher haven't taught us well like you including like okay la y equal to 8 minus 3x minus x square. Now gachi bego se first rang dy over dx chego mm so dy over dx of the derivative the share comment dy by dx of constant is 0 minus dy by dx of 3x is 3 minus dy by dx of x square is 2x you are getting dy over dx kamchi thobe sawachin chegi thobe negative 3 minus 2x thobe now gachi sem ka jago sawachin when your dy over dx is less than 0 ima gachibe less than 0 take begoma dato because question nara mention benaba any function the decreasing is y is decreasing imena mola y is decreasing so when dy over dx is less than 0 then y is decreasing the mosla tangai gachibe go sawachin ani dy over dx ki sama ani chugo to gala ani chugo to find the set of values several gale we are not talking about just one value to value chi gi jam lojilab member we are talking about more than one value so ani ki sama gaji ben mo so janga gi da dy over dx less than 0 beto ba ani ki sama ani chuni negative 3 minus 2x is less than 0 so chugo se now next gaji ba so negative 3 phata ba ni mela so negative 2x the nara liu is less than gaji de so now what will happen gaji happen be what ta gaji negative 2x the naja 3 the phata jo 3 the positive jo ba de jo me jo la positive jo then the next thing gaji was now I need the value of x I need the value of x no value of x ko ba ani badalu ngai gaji was now ngagi I have to divide by negative 2 on both sides negative 2 ki divide pe ko to boshla tani negative 2 the negative 2 cancel jo x is equal to gaji de so less than gaji de so ana negative 2 ba da negative 2 da ani sam ko jago me gaji oh my god how this is working silab ni nen ka do ba ani be beta to gala ngagi da to ani be ma be wa da ani be beta wa ji che ta ma we gadi be silab ni nen ka do ba negative 3 na jana variable term the negative ba ji positive zone to gala so greater than the ani the path above the low you'll get positive 2x to boshla ani be bena not to confuse you now negative 3 gaji be wasn't divided by 2 bego and less than 2x over 2 se bego now 2 the 2 cancel jo so negative 3 over 2 less than x se which we can write it as x is ani the opening gati do x on the to bola so ani bindigi x on the kha jango mela khadi then negative 3 over 2 se lab ko ase meaning the any function the decreasing ongo bachin ngagi x ki value diga chongo sachin greater than negative 3 over 2 so what is this negative 3 over 2 so negative 1.5 anale yata bachin tenga chi graph di the decreasing medium se me bade to gala inamena tani mela inamena diga ti tani ngagi software use pebe graphically nalu engine to gala ani biten majim bachin la khayi moshla tabi nabagi zini mela so analo greater than 1.5 negative 1.5 se wachin negative 1.5 le yata yumi number kara chijo mela analo to gala anaga ara chijo so ani concept thing achi shego and inequality naldi we are not just talking about one value of x we are talking about range of values of x imaga that x is greater than negative 1.5 so above negative 1.5 values ki ani x ki value ngaji chanyam tek be odalo ani function the decreasing jong se do kala decreasing function jong se tangai na lu chembel chi phi ge mela so my function is y is equal to 8 minus 3x minus and we have x square chanyam mela ta analo point is in na do kala so anal ngai clear beratenge ani chunku berateng of duba anna zina mela this is my ana this is my graph to gala this is the graph of any function which is quadratic and this should be downward because the sign in front of x square is negative or you can also say the numerical coefficient of x square gi numerical coefficient x square ki numerical coefficient ki sign the negative image ana downward theomba tenga chi gi she ba de mola negative anale the increasing do ba de curve di increasing do the ana heshim nale which is between negative 2 and negative 1 ana x ki value negative 1.5 leben gachi pe ma sajin leben de anal value take bere bese x ki value gachi take bero negative 1 0 1 gachi take bero tani curve dikhama ta jo decrease pe on sela biglo yi to kala tani set of values se sajin setang de ani bi se to pushla setang de this is the correct way of finding the range of values set of values sajin you are going to have more than one value of x remember any inequality call me shame I feel embarrassed being math students and completing okay it's good it's good to know that mushla ani chi shego ngachi gi hole it's a good realization awareness me ba ngachi gi dando and Chidi animal, I karma's delight. I do not feel embarrassed for you because often more, often we cannot learn everything at one time perfectly. So people are reading novels, but I'm reading so many maths books. I'm going through so many maths questions. Ngigidi da hourly na china hiwe kadimchi mabirura 1-2 hours the maths. I'm doing high level questions because I want to understand what is happening behind. Mostly Hanichi Beto and 11 and 12 these are some of the basic things that we learn calculus nalo. We are starting the journey of calculus. 11 nale gotsumeba. I feel embarrassed being math students labberatsu no me. Okay, so we are done with the first question. Now let us go to our second question. Second question is Johnny. For most parents, more parents na irrelevant be feel anidi because the parents they are aware of maths till class 6, 7, 8 anchi sense jamchi the detail be animchi be kembeba. After 9 okay. After 10 the maths becomes complete alien subject. Alien subject for most of the parents imba and bendigi I know life na beru only students will come, not many will attend the live when I teach class 11 and 12 we teach with the namsam method except for students when the exams are near. Okay, thank you for following. That's the Darigi viewers watching. I think this is the lowest number of viewers on it. And I'm doing this one because someone requested that. Interestingly, me. Interestingly. Okay, let me do one more question. Explain page again. Okay, we are done. Now next next question. Next question that gets to such you are for the function you're given a function seme. For the function jinjano f of x equal to 4x cube minus 15x square minus 72x minus 8 sidova. You're asked to find first of all you're asked to find f prime x, and b you're asked to find the range of values of x. Find the range of values of x for which f of x equal to 4x cube minus 15x square minus 72x minus 8 is increasing and decreasing. Range of values for which this function is increasing and range of values for which this function is decreasing. Question day. Okay, how many of you are class 11 students? 10 viewers lost. That even the do match. What is Oh my god, 10 viewers. First ever minimum and maximum class 12 minimum maximum but naba jenna na same na se class 12 class 12 we na se jenna and book your time to bola book bena okay. Class 11 me badari no class 11 से चुना class 11 है बच्चे. Time nava na se Sunday. Nobody I'll not come live. Nava gachima Saturday gagi na yuga. Nava me bachi ne live me umega. Saturday duga. Saturday minduga. Yeah, tomorrow I'm going to take race. I'll be off for me nabadi. Yes, the beni me ani dia beni. Kachi bego tha dam parang kachi f prime x hello. F prime x me kachi mo derivative ro beto ba demosla. F prime x is your derivative. Please find your derivative. Now derivative sa the kachi se mo lame. Slope se yo slope. Derivative is our slope. But slope the kachi mo slope at a point me at a point. To slope at a point. So my f prime x will be differentiate beni. What is 4x cube? When I differentiate this one, what will I get? I'll get 3 times 4, which is 12 bedi. Then reduce 1. 3 nalichi reduce pe the kamchi top. Desi June, thank you for sharing. Membership joins in on gifter chi me. And please follow me. Gifters this way, please help me reach my channel. Achi mi lash yuma demosla. Halam boom dindi yuba tengachi dubra mosla. My audience Dubrainla. And after once I'm done with all the syllabus thing, cover gara base then I'll be moving with international level nalu, whereby I'll be using my English as my main medium. I'll not be using Zonka. For now I'm using Zonka. The two things I Zonka use better because I want to attract Bhutanese people, Bhutanese youth, Bhutanese students, let them understand in our own language. Very less joining today. Yes, very less. Today, not many will join because first of all, it's Friday. Everyone wants to take rest. Secondly, it's class 11 and many would not take interest because class 11 maths compared to lower classes is difficult to understand and then they go on. But this is good. As I record, we still have 15, 16, 14, 13 viewers. Okay, we have 12x square. Then if I again multiply, I'll get minus 15 times 2 will give you 30x. Minus 72 times x, this will become only 72 and the derivative of 8 is 0. So you have this as your answer to the first question. That is your f prime x derivative. Now when f prime x is as I said before, when my dy over dx, when my dy over dx is less than 0, then decreasing. When my dy over dx is greater than 0, it's increasing. Less than decreasing. Now same concept apply Benny for this. First of all, for increasing. Increasing now when f prime x is greater than 0, we know that your function f of x is increasing. So function f of x is to the f of x is to go. The gadim chip function the chinga issudo zumbe function nalu y is to the then analu y seratuni y is decreasing. Set of bushla. Doji, thank you for sharing. Namsam kariche. Now Alugachi is a function the dy of Aniki Tama the Anitsugo that is Yuto Zumbera. So I'm going to put 12x square minus 13x minus 72 is greater than 0. Simplify bego. Ani simplify benig don't ludaga I get you searching. Common take biom. Can I take common from here? Common the gachi take betum gaji. 6 to more 6 k. 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 5 is 30. Then 6 12 is 72. So common take bening I get 6. So I'm going to get 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is greater than 0. So this 6 will go as a denominator here. So minus 5x minus 12 is greater than 0 over 6. 0 over 6 is 0. So you're going to get 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is greater than 0. Say. Another quadratic formula use peruto and sum and product use peruto. Kade peruto ba demosla. So if I split this one into factors na comes top say. So comes top lang how can we put this one in terms of factors na factors na comes top the factors na the quadratic formula shiva jump to quadratic formula ma shiva just la demo quadratic formula di I'm going to do briefly briefly ben to quadratic formula di 2x square minus 5x minus 12 mushla another a digachimo 2 betaba b digachimo negative 5 c digachimo negative 12. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Like the student law, I need to use basic though if you do not know how to factor using sum and product, because this is much more easier. You just have to substitute. X is equal to negative b, so in the b in hamale negative imeba. So negative the hamale do formula na. The anagajitu daro negative 5 do plus or minus suni root of b value gachima negative 5. So negative 5 whole square minus 4 times ac. So 4 times a gachima a 2 and c gachima negative 12. So times negative 12. Anything I bracket na sujai. Wait. The anale whole divided by 2 times what is my a? A is 2. Mostly 2 times 2 with x is equal to negative will become positive, so you'll have positive 5. Great 11 la plus or minus what is negative 5 whole square is 25. And 4 times 2 is kamchima 4 times 2 the 8 bedava. But negative negative 8 times negative will give you positive. So 8 times 12. What is 8 times 12? What is 8 times 12, guys? What is 8 times 12? 8 times 12 suna menga lo. 96. Remember, 8 times 12 la hada menga chite so moshla. 8 times 12. 96 more 96 whole divided by 4. What is 96 plus 25? What is 96 plus 25? Chikisuna plus or minus 96 plus 25 is kamchimola 121. 121 whole divided by 4. So x comes to x is equal to 5 plus or minus root of 121 is 11 mush divided by 4. So you're going to have two values of x. First the x is equal to 5 plus 11 over 4. And other one is x is equal to 5 minus 11 over 4. First na the plus pani, second na the minus pani. X is equal to what is 5 plus 11 is 16. 16 divided by 4. What is 16 divided by 4? 16 divided by 4 is 4. Bring this 4 this side, you will get your first factor, that is x minus 4 equal to 0. So my first factor is x minus 4. Now look comes up. X is equal to what is 5 minus 11? What is 5 minus 11? Minus comes to minus 6 divided by 4. I can cancel this one. I'm going to get x is equal to comes to searching agi. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. So negative 3 over 2 top. So 2 times x cross multiply when you will get 2x equal to minus 3. Minus 3 natabani you will get 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So this is my second factor. Factor ni chara thopchi bade mushla. Factor ni chara thopchi. Ani di nata chuni. So quadratic di nam le lam gachi. Quadratic di nam ani ki sama gachi chuni mo ngagi. Ani ki sama gachi chuni mo now. I'll put x minus 4 times 2x plus 3 is greater than 0. So ani di gadi thopchi ngagi. Quadratic formula use chappi thopchi ngagi. So we also have another way, that is using sum and product. Sum and product sum and product use pena. Laluchigi ani use pena. That the RAM thom, but very easy. Just substitute and do it. Detail explain bending at RAM thom. Otherwise, question the method the namsame difficult me la. Short baby. Now next we have to now take each factor take back. So each factor take bending agi. So anything I simplify ani berutuba. So anal bewachi comes to lang I first x minus 4 is greater than 0 se deum madi mosla. The second gachi deum 2x plus 3 is greater than 0 se deum. Ani bewachi lang I gachi top sa na my x will be 4 patabani. X will be greater than 4 se deum. Remember. Then next the I'll get 2x video. Then I have 3 pathabani. Wow, 3 pathabani. We learn in class 12 is greater than negative 3. Remember negative 3. Yeah. Now x the kamchi deong say x is they're saying greater than negative 3 over 2. Mostly negative 3 over 2. So meaning x is greater than 1.5, x is greater than 4. So lab mein baak honge. Te bata ani the correct member de. Ana representation the correct man mein lani. Ani correct mein jo mostly. So ngachi ki gachi pego sa now ta ma graph pego data ni me to kala graph pego data ni ani di suda bachin gachi jong sa ani me jong bala. Ani di suda bachin. Okay, best thing agi dachi shudu zumera pego ni me mo. Dachi shui mo ani. Take this term this side to kala. Ani term di phata take bena to kala ani x ki term di ani. To kala. Negative 2x di phata ba zume 2x di phata ba na so that last moment na lo chegi phata so da lo gadibe happen bega. The chegi nam so guto nameng ba ani take bena to kala. Why the 2x be other gachi take be ko masla ba because x the chega coefficient so so bajin phata take bena to kala. Jam to is okay ngachi. So you're going to have 3 here greater than ani phata ba the lo you'll get negative 2x pe to masla negative 2x bela then ani gaji pe now I have to divide on both sides by negative 2, so I'm going to get negative 3 over 2 greater than this negative 2 and negative 2 will get cancelled, you'll get x. So x the gaji means x is less than negative 3 over 2 say. So this is better not to confuse ani better dola. So you'll get x is less than negative 3 over 2 say. Now ani chikhabitini ani ni chikhabitini to kala. So chikhabit diwachin chigachi top sawachin my inequality for this function when it is increasing the gachi deong sawachin x must be chongo sa ana chugi me continue be x must be greater than 4 but less than negative 3 over 2. So chikhabit zuni therefore my x will be less than negative 3 over 2 and x should be greater than 4 tamatani me tama function ne theomela remember bemela. Now second part no juni when my f prime x is less than 0 then I know f of x is kachimo decreasing decrease choice shi same decreasing say da ani nalo same bego batla kade beong achi anira chugo tela 12x square minus 30x minus 72 is less than 0 but we know that when I simplify this one I'm going to get this so I'll get x minus 4 times 2x plus 3 is less than 0 say anime thoba. Then relation to bani daro x minus 4 is less than 0. For the phata bani x will be less than 4 say positive 4 jo bela. Tani bauni again 2x plus 3 is less than 0. Negative 2x the phata bani mela negative 2x the negative 2x the phata bani mela which will give you negative 2x bedwa de mosla. So 3 nadio less than negative 2x. Now divide on both sides by negative 2 greater than less than negative 2x over negative 2 cancel beni again. So on the negative 3 over 2 top less than x negative cancel jo. So x the gachime sajin ani the x ontara open bego datu di is greater than negative 3 over 2 selab me. The chikhabit diwachin gachi top therefore x is greater than negative 3 over 2 ani di chikhabit ani ditu beba I di mitupla I di gachi matme tama diagram na themo to bola and less than gachime sajin 4 to bola. So ani dingi values of x ila ani nalo x ki value di chijamchi men mela lash chudi ane chijamchi men lash chudi ane chijamchi men lash chudi. Since we are finding range of values to bola range of values the graph na juni to bola graph na juni mela graph na jo bengagi na bolu teni okay tangachi function di kachidi function di yagi di mela first ki di that is id la 4x cube minus 15x square minus 72x minus 8 simi tungala so darigi di ngagi second derivative higher derivative sense beon tungala higher derivative sense beon 930 sense jogi tungala after that we will ani differentiation ngata cha animchira imzumji higher derivative sense ra imzumji do we have other topic here gala ani derivative gi holu higher derivative digi hole daro yu gala ngachilo higher derivative gi hole so because any two parts nalura differentiation complete bejani bi ba agi first part this le judui so second part the dari ba so let me simply type this function here y is equal to gachidu savajin 4x cube 4x cube lalchi ki desmos use bedoime desmos na tup doime I'm using GeoGebra for all these simple questions the desmos use ma be agi okay the we have minus 72x 72x minus 8 let me just change this one make it small why got the leme now let me change this one as a pull bag me so wait be to kala so 50 views do tap chizena after the second derivative there are some subtopic in the textbook I guess okay thank you so much for the information I graph chinal thingi me so this is how our graph looks like anazina to kala ani di datonga chigi range of values tin time ba na range of values so decrease ani increasing na joge tambara increasing na bewachin gachilap mo sachi increasing na bewachin we have this condition increasing na bewachin x ki value di less than negative 1.2 1.5 because 3 over 2 is 1.5 bedoba de so graph ti anadu tab gala graph ti anzum chidu ba na bu zina to gala graph ti legime zina so ngagi ani point chi note bejage okay ani point chi me dato roughly be bedo to gala tele chi di ani point ni me roughly be bedo me roughly to gala ani point ni me ma control z okay this is the point for namula okay roughly be bejai to gala ngagi oh wait interesting ye la ni di nasola the increasing na ana decreasing na jogi to the hamara increasing na jogi to bola increasing di gachimo sa jana increasing me la ana judu ba chi x is less than negative 1.5 so negative 1.5 di ana me ba ana ani negative 2 the negative 1 gi ba ana me ba so ana sense in the increase pe do se me ba the increase pe de to bola dele gachilab mo sa chi x is greater than 4 greater than 4 means so me ba ani di 4 me ba so greater than 4 di so me ba ani ba dolo ani nale increasing thong se me ba de graph increase be de ba de so less than 1.5 phata moshla phata dele greater than 4 di phata moshla tani ba dolo ani portion ni lo di ngachi graph increase cho so thong se me ba de the decrease di gatilu jo so jin ani 1.5 le 4 gi banalu ani nalu bende graph di decrease chong se analu do ba ani decreasing di x di negative 1.5 the less than 4 beojin decreasing the thong se decreasing trend de ana thong se me ba de moshla so ani di gati kha chi ne mega nabana se ngachi application beoda shi la business